This is a different video to what I usually put onto YouTube. My friend Stuart Allen has given me some drone shots from Corralejo, which I'd like to show you. Now, if you like these videos, just have a look at his channel. It's Stuart Allen, photographer and drone pilot, and I'll put a link in the comments and in this video so that you can see and go and see it. Have a look at his video, and why don't you subscribe to him as well. Hope you enjoy them.
Float down the river to the ocean. Watch as the sun bathes in the sea. One thing I've learned about emotion: it blows on by just like the breeze. Feeling blue, feeling blue. I've been washed up into a pulling riptide, dragged to the bottom of the sea. Now something's bubbling, the tide is coming in. A little more and I'll be free. Down the river to the ocean. Watch as the sun bathes in